How to use Citronella spray for fleas. Flea infestations in your home or yard occur when fleas find a host to live on. Typical hosts are dogs or cats that carry fleas into the home, hidden in their fur. Flea bites can be painful and irritating and, left unattended, flea infestation can spread throughout your home. While there are many commercial products for ridding your home and pets of fleas, Citronella spray is a home remedy that is just as effective. Things you will need: Citronella essential oil, spray bottle, cotton balls, vacuum. Place 15 drops of citronella oil in the spray bottle and fill the remainder of the bottle with water. Shake the bottle before each use to mix the oil with the water. Spray your dog's coat with the citronella spray and work the spray into the coat with your fingers. Spray citronella spray directly onto your hands to wipe it around the face area, avoiding the eyes and insides of ears. Apply citronella spray to your hands and lightly wipe the spray onto your cat's coat. Soak cotton balls with your citronella spray and place them in areas that cannot be reached with a vacuum. The citronella spray soaked cotton balls will repel fleas in carpeted areas behind heavy furniture. Spray carpeting with the citronella spray, then vacuum with the vacuum set as low to the carpet as possible so fleas hidden deep in the carpet pile can be extracted. Tips: warnings. Continue to protect your outdoor pets from fleas regularly by using citronella spray every couple weeks. Some essential oils can be harmful to cats. Use citronella in an extremely diluted form, or with a very light application.